Hi everyone, my name is Tina and I'm co-founder of JP Robotics. We work on intelligent pipe surveying using robotics and AI. So the 1.8 million miles of natural gas pipes in the US are dangerously outdated with multiple with like a few hundreds significant gas leaks and explosions each year, causing injuries, fatalities, and over 6 billion of annual damages and penalties. The core problem is that maintenance is reactive, and pipe inspection uses tools that are outdated, laborious, and lack insights. What's more, over 90% of the natural gas pipe in the US are under 8 inches in diameter, and these pipes are inaccessible and thus unmonitored by the current bulky technologies. This forces asset owners to rely on guesswork. Introducing our groundbreaking technology that combines advanced hardware with intelligent software. Our robot is able to navigate pipes as small as 2 inches in diameter, and it uses patent-pending multi-sensor fusion technology to create 7mm grade 3D digital twins of the pipe interior while accurately locating itself in GPS-denied pipes. Our advanced data power AI-driven analytics and diagnostics for deformation, corrosion, and more, generating actionable reports and maintenance recommendations. This technology is backed by ARPA-E, and we validated that our solution brings around values across the value chain, with two most important ones being efficiency and cost savings. So conventionally, inspection, mapping, and diagnostics are done by 3 separate service teams, and we are consolidating them into one single superior pass. This helps field inspectors to cut operation times by a factor of 5 while improving safety. For pipe owners, they see up to 70% cost reduction while seeing a transition into proactive maintenance. For engineering firms, they can use our 10 times finer resolution data to make more informed and smarter decisions. The key to our go-to-market strategy is to partner with major inspection service providers and engineering firms to leverage their existing relationship and contracts with downstream pipe owners to quickly penetrate the market. Our hybrid business model contains 2 parts. One is we lease our robot kit to inspection service providers, and we also sell our data-derived products and analytics. We're facing an $84 million per year natural gas distribution pipe inspection market. And if we also consider the maintenance, it will be $2.8 billion per year. And if we also take into account other sectors like storm, electrical, and petrochemical, where our technology can be applied, our total addressable market would be $37 billion, with 8% annual growth rate. Our founding team brings together expertise across sectors, including entrepreneurship, research engineering, oil and gas leadership, and fundraising. Over the past 4 years developing IP at CMU, we have secured 1.7 million initial funding from ARPA-E, developed deployment-ready prototypes, and completed 3 successful field deployments with industry partners. Now we have 1 full-year project and 2 paid pilots lined up. So we're raising $750K pre-seed round to turn our working prototype into a hardened MVP and get ready for our paid pilots. Thank you.
So sometimes with inspection technologies, it can be challenging to get the customer to pay for an ongoing inspection rather than looking for a problem that they know exists. Meaning, okay, I see a problem, I need to go out and understand the problem. And so do you require a regulatory driver or other requirement in order to drive your recurring revenues to do the inspection?
Yes, so regulatory incentives is important. So for natural gas, like Department of Transportation, they have regulations that ask pipe owners to inspect their pipes every once in a year or once in 5 years. So that is one incentive. And what's more important is because the pipe owners, they're seeing the pipes failing, and they themselves have industry best practices. They have own incentives to do this type of inspections.
How do you think about pricing your services to capture that value that you're creating?
So our pricing model has different tiers. Our basic tier contains like just the inspection and some standard reporting. It's kind of on par with what our competitors in other industries would charge. And we have additional tiers with advanced data capturing and analytics. So these are, so we did like customer interviews and testing to see if these price make sense.
30 more seconds. So when you say robotics as a service and data as a service, is it a monthly fee? Is it a per use fee? How are you, is it when I see a problem in the pipes?
So currently we're using like a distance-based model. So like the longer you inspect, the longer in terms of distance you inspect, like the higher we charge. Yeah, but depending on some of the asset owners, they might prefer like a year, like an annual fee or something, or like a per project fee. So it's we're open to varying our pricing model based on that.
Great, thank you very much.